Tsunamis. Just the mention of the word sends a chill down your spine. These giant walls of water can wipe out entire cities in a matter of minutes. We've seen the devastating impacts of tsunamis in recent history, like the 2004 Indian Ocean disaster and Japan's 2011 catastrophe, where entire coastal cities vanished in the blink of an eye. But did you know that some of the biggest tsunamis in history are beyond imagination? We're talking about waves taller than skyscrapers, waves so massive they could flood entire regions, leaving destruction in their wake. In this video, we're diving into the 7 tallest tsunamis ever recorded, showcasing the raw, terrifying power of nature. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the deadly force of these monstrous waves. Number 7. The Asteroid Mega Tsunami, 66 million years ago. Tsunamis typically occur from underwater earthquakes, but sometimes nature throws a curveball. Imagine a massive asteroid slamming into Earth over 6 miles wide and sending shockwaves across the planet. 66 million years ago, the Chicxulub impact in the Yucatan Peninsula triggered a mega tsunami. This colossal wave was over 330 feet, 100 meters high, triple the height of the Statue of Liberty. Some scientists speculate that this wave reached as far inland as Chicago, Montana, or even Canada. While the impact was deadly enough to cause the extinction of the dinosaurs, the mega tsunami was a truly catastrophic event that reshaped Earth's environment forever. Number 6. Mount Unzen, Japan, 1792, a volcanic tsunami. Japan's Ring of Fire is notorious for earthquakes and volcanic activity, and in 1792, Mount Unzen erupted with devastating force. The volcano's lava dome collapsed into the ocean, displacing massive amounts of water. What followed was a mega tsunami that struck the coast, reaching 330 feet, 100 meters, high. This wave crashed into the towns of Higo and Shimabara, causing a double strike as it bounced back across the bay. The tsunami claimed over 14,000 lives, making it one of Japan's deadliest volcanic-related disasters. Number 5. Mount St. Helens, United States, 1980. An inland tsunami. Tsunamis don't just happen at sea. In 1980, Mount St. Helens, one of the most violent volcanic eruptions in U.S. history, triggered the largest terrestrial landslide ever recorded. When the northern flank of the mountain collapsed, it sent millions of tons of rock and debris crashing into Spirit Lake. This inland tsunami sent waves as high as 860 feet, 260 meters, ripping through the landscape. Though the wave caused significant damage, the ensuing ash clouds and mud flows, which buried entire areas in thick sludge, caused even more devastation. Spirit Lake took over 20 years to recover, but the event demonstrated just how dangerous inland tsunamis can be when triggered by a volcanic eruption. Number 4. The 1963 Vajont Dam Tsunami, Italy. In October 1963, the Vajont Dam in northern Italy, part of a hydroelectric project, faced a catastrophic failure. A massive landslide into the reservoir caused a mega tsunami that surged 250 meters, 820 feet, above the dam's height, crashing down into the valley below. The wave wiped out villages, killing around 2,000 people. What made this disaster even worse was the warning signs. Local tremors and landslides were ignored, and when the dam's water levels were lowered in a misguided safety measure, it only added to the tragedy. The force of the wave was reportedly stronger than an atomic bomb, wiping out entire communities in its path. Number 3. The Lituya Bay Mega Tsunami, Alaska, 1958, the tallest wave ever recorded, and now, the record holder. In 1958, Lituya Bay in Alaska experienced a tsunami that defied all expectations. On a quiet July night, a massive earthquake triggered a landslide that sent 30.6 million cubic meters of rock plummeting 3,000 feet into the water below. The resulting tsunami wave shot 1,720 feet, 520 meters, into the air, the tallest wave ever recorded. The force of this wave destroyed everything in its path, uprooting trees and vegetation along the fjord slopes. Miraculously, only 5 people lost their lives because the area was sparsely populated, but the event shows just how deadly landslide-triggered tsunamis can be. Number 2. Indian Ocean Tsunami, 2004. Perhaps the most infamous tsunami in modern history, the 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami was caused by a 9.1 magnitude undersea earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. The earthquake triggered waves that struck at speeds of 500 miles per hour, with the largest reaching 100 feet tall. The tsunami devastated 14 countries, including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand, leaving over 230,000 dead and displacing nearly 2 million people. It remains the deadliest tsunami on record. Number 1. Aleutian Islands Tsunami, 1946. In 1946, a tsunami struck the Aleutian Islands in Alaska, following a strong underwater earthquake. The waves reached 50 feet high and traveled at speeds of 500 miles per hour, eventually reaching Hawaii. The tsunami caused widespread damage, killing 123 people and leaving millions of dollars in property damage. This disaster prompted the creation of the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center in 1949, a critical development in tsunami preparedness. Tsunamis, whether caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides, are a testament to the raw power of Earth's natural forces. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories from the depths of Earth's natural disasters. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.